So here's the problem. Most nurses either starve on shift or binge on junk. And trust me, both kill your energy. So, what is the fix? A 15 minutes meal prep that even a lazy nurse like me can handle. So hey there, today I am going to show you a protein packed really delicious meal that you can take regularly in the mainly in the breakfast. You can even try it in other meals also, but it's predominantly a breakfast meal. So stick till the end, see the video of my recipe, and once the food is been made, I will share with you the details about how much amount of what thing should be used in the material and what are the nutrients and calories in the food. So till then, see you. Let's try it. So this diet had almost 65 grams of protein and about 750 kilocalories. And the fat was also quite nice. It was around 30 grams of fat, which is quite nice for this meal. And the ingredients that were used in this was, I use the soybeans because it's generally cheaper. So you can take soya chunks of around 100 grams, which has around 52 grams of protein. And along with it, I took 2 eggs. You can also even increase the amount of eggs and tweak according to your needs. So I took 2 eggs, which had around 12 to 13 grams of protein, and 1 banana that had a gram of protein. And overall, these all things had 750 kilocalories. And as the calorie really increased because I used the ghee in it. I used 1 teaspoon of ghee during this cooking. You can also avoid it if you want, because it was my preferred, I personally preferred having ghee, and I did not have any issue with the calorie at the moment. I'm at a gaining phase. So I just elevated the flavor. But if you think that you don't want to have the ghee, you can just fry it in a normal oil, and it will be all fine with that. So try this menu and just tweak it according to your needs. Make it according to your wish. Use chicken in places of the soya chunks, and also tweak the eggs. And do really comment down in the comments of this video how you feel the menu and recipe to be. So give it a try. Till then, stay safe. Take care.